What are these search terms? When have I ever cared about the history of microwaves? Okay, some of these make at least a little sense. What is short cat? Great blue? Do you think I care about Super Mario Logan? No. No, I'm not a child toucher. Anyways, again, some of these I could understand. Queso, okay, that's funny. Okay. Okay. Blanc Tales, I have never played Blanc Tales, but like, I don't know, it falls into the category of Roblox game with a fandom that's mostly comprised of autistic teenagers. Still, the history of microwaves being the top result. When have I cared about the about the history of microwaves? No, does not compute. Does not compute. Does not compute. Does not compute. The history of microwaves. Yes, I'm just gonna search up the history of microwaves. No, I'm sorry, I'm not a microwave connoisseur. Okay, bye.